Topic: Minimalist money rules you must follow to always be financially stable. The average American spends $18,000 a year on things they don't even need. That is nearly $1.5 million over a lifetime. Most of you are literally working for free for 10 years of your life. Think about that. 10 years of your life. Gone. Poof. Wasted on clutter and status symbols. Are you tired of feeling like your paycheck disappears by Tuesday? Do you feel like you are running on a hamster wheel? Today, I am showing you the minimalist money rules to break that cycle. These rules will make you financially stable forever. No more stress. No more debt. Just freedom. Our culture is designed to keep you broke. Advertisements follow you everywhere. They tell you that you need the new iPhone. They say you need that luxury SUV. But here is the truth. Your stuff is actually owning you. Every item you buy has a hidden cost. It costs your time to earn the money. It costs your energy to maintain it. It costs your mental space to worry about it. Right now, the average U.S. household carries over $100,000 in debt. That is a heavy weight to carry every single day. Most people are one car breakdown away from a total crisis. One medical bill could ruin their entire year. Is that really how you want to live? Constantly on the edge. Always looking over your shoulder for the next bill. It feels like you are drowning in a sea of monthly subscriptions. $15 here. $20 there. It adds up to a mountain of stress. Stay with me here, because it gets worse. If you don't change this today, you will never retire. Inflation is eating your savings like a hungry shark. The standard way of living is a trap. It is a trap designed by corporations to keep you working. They want you to be a good consumer. A good consumer buys things they can't afford. They buy things to impress people they don't even like. If you keep following the crowd, you will end up like the crowd. Stressed, broke, and stuck in a job you hate until you are 70. Does that sound like a dream life to you? Of course not. The clock is ticking on your freedom. Every dollar you waste is a minute of freedom you sold. How many minutes have you sold today? Here is the good news. You can opt out of this trap right now. Minimalism isn't about living in an empty room. It is about removing the things that don't matter. This allows you to focus on the things that do. Here are the minimalist money rules you must follow. Rule 1, the 48-hour rule. Never buy anything over $50 instantly. Marketing is designed to make you feel urgent. They use limited time offers to trick your brain. Wait 48 hours before hitting that buy button. Usually, the need will disappear. You will realize you were just bored or tired. This one rule can save you hundreds every month. Rule 2, the one in, one out rule. For every new item you buy, you must get rid of one. Buying a new shirt. Donate an old one. Buying a new kitchen gadget. Sell the one you don't use. This keeps your clutter at zero. It makes you think twice before bringing junk into your home. It forces you to value quality over quantity. Rule 3, automated simplicity. Most people struggle because they have too many moving parts. Simplify your banking. Set your savings to automatic. The money should leave your account before you can see it. If you never see it, you won't miss it. Most people don't know this, but automation is the secret of millionaires. They don't rely on willpower. They rely on systems. Rule 4, master the Roth IRA. Here is a quick lesson. A Roth IRA is a special type of retirement account in the U.S. You put money in after you pay taxes on it. Then that money grows tax-free forever. When you retire, the government can't touch a penny of the profit. Imagine turning $5,000 into $50,000 and paying $0 in taxes. That is the power of minimalist investing. Keep it simple. Buy index funds. An index fund is just a basket of many different stocks. It is like buying a little bit of the whole economy. It is low stress and high reward. Rule 5. Value-based spending. Stop counting pennies on things that bring you joy. Start cutting ruthlessly on things that don't. Do you love travel? Spend money on it. Do you care about fancy cars? If not, buy a used Toyota and save the rest. Minimalism is about intentionality. It is about saying no to the good so you can say yes to the great. Are you paying for ghost services? Check your bank statement today. Cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days. Rule 6. The emergency buffer. You cannot be stable without a floor. Your first goal is $1,000 in a separate account. Don't touch it. Don't look at it. It is only for true emergencies. A flat tire is an emergency. A sale at the mall is not. Once you have $1,000, aim for 3 months of expenses. This is your FU money. It gives you the power to walk away from a toxic job. It gives you peace of mind. Here is where it gets interesting. People with emergency funds actually make better career decisions. They aren't acting out of desperation. They are acting out of strength. Rule 7. Avoid the lifestyle creep. When you get a raise, don't change your life. If you lived fine on $50,000, stay living on $50,000. Put that extra money directly into your investments. Most people get a raise and immediately buy a bigger house. They stay broke at a higher income level. This is the golden handcuffs. Don't let the handcuffs lock on you. Rule 8. Use the 50-30-20 rule simplified. This is the ultimate minimalist budget. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, utilities. 30% goes to wants, fun, hobbies, dining out. 20% goes to the future, debt payoff and investing. If your needs are more than 50%, you are living too large. Downsize. Move to a cheaper area. Get a roommate. Do whatever it takes to get that number down. It sounds hard, but it feels amazing. Less space means less cleaning. Less cleaning means more time. More time means more life. Rule 9. The quality over quantity rule. Stop buying fast fashion. Stop buying cheap tools. They break. You have to buy them again. This is called the poor man's penalty. Minimalists buy the best they can afford and keep it forever. One $100 pair of boots is cheaper than 5 $30 pairs. It also keeps your home looking cleaner. Rule 10. Experiences over objects. Science proves that objects lose their joy quickly. This is called hedonic adaptation. That new car feeling lasts about a month. But a memory of a great trip lasts a lifetime. Invest in your life, not your shelves. The best things in life aren't things. They are moments. They are people. They are growth. Let's recap these life-changing rules. Wait 48 hours before buying. 1 in, 1 out for everything you own. Automate your savings immediately. Use a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. Spend on value, cut the rest. Build your emergency fund first. Kill the lifestyle creep. Follow the 50-30-20 budget. Choose quality over quantity. Focus on experiences, not objects. These rules aren't about restriction. They are about freedom. Freedom from debt. Freedom from stress. Freedom to live life on your own terms. Most people will watch this and do nothing. They will go back to scrolling and spending. But not you. You are here because you want more. If this video helped you, smash that subscribe button. Every week I reveal money secrets that your school never taught you. Start your journey to financial freedom today. See you next week.